The best Merkur Online Casino and Games 2020. The casinos are among the most successful in Germany. With more than 300 modern entertainment centers, they are the market leader in the country and are also active in several European countries. However, you don't necessarily have to go to a casino to enjoy Merkur Casinos games. You can also play Merkur games online. In this article you will learn everything there is to know about this iconic company. Merkur online games are very popular, and there are many popular slots that have been growing in popularity for a long time. Slots like Golden Diamond, 77,777, or Dynamite Joe all have a payout rate of over 96%, and these casino games are extremely popular among casino players. So, if you want to learn more about online Merkur games, finish reading the post and decide if these slots are something for you. Whether you are looking for slots with free spins, or free Merkur games, games without registration, or Merkur Casino real money slots, we have it all for you. Without wasting any more time, let's start with the advantages of online Merkur Casino. Advantages of Merkur. Casinos with Merkur games have many advantages over their counterparts. You can try Merkur slot games for free. That is possible at almost every online casino with Merkur. All Merkur slots have their own charm, and the following advantages contribute a large part. When you play Merkur slots, you will be surprised by the incredible creativity, design and versatility. Not many providers can keep up with that. You can play over 150 different Merkur slots, and there are many machines that can certainly suit any taste. From standard slots with 5 reels, to slots with 3 reels, or even slots like Bear the Devil with only 1 reel. For those of you who love more chances, slots with 7 reels are also available. The Merkur Online Gambling House has entertainment as its goal. Players should have fun, and that's exactly what you get when you play a Merkur slot online. Best Merkur Online Casinos have many slots that give smaller wins more often, instead of rarely just high wins, so players have more fun with the machine. Perhaps the most important advantage: win more often with little money and enjoy the game, instead of hoping for high winnings with large deposits. Conclusion. To enjoy Merkur slot machines, it is not necessary to go to a gaming house. You can also play the best Merkur slots online. You can try Merkur for free online at many providers, or test Merkur Casino real money slots. To enjoy the great variety of slots on the go, the manufacturer has also launched its own Merkur Casino app. Thus, you are able to enjoy your favorite games even when traveling. Merkur slots offer a gaming experience that you can't find everywhere, and the mere fact that you can win more often with less money should be reason enough for you to give these slots a try. However, you shouldn't think that you can't win big with this manufacturer. The slots are simply geared to be fun. All you have to do is try them out, just like this lucky guy who won around 61 million euros. FAQ, frequently asked questions. Can I play Merkur games for free in online casinos? The answer is definitely yes. You can play Merkur online for free. This is the advantage of this provider, that you can test their games at very many online casinos. So you are not forced to spend money on slots, which you have not tried before. Do the odds of winning Merkur online slot games differ? With every slot machine, the odds of winning are different. The best Merkur slots have a payout rate of 96%, which is relatively high. As mentioned above, the machines are geared to give out lower wins more often to guarantee fun. Are there slot machines from Merkur that are only available online? Meanwhile, there are some slot machines that are only available online and cannot be played in gaming stores. These are, for example, Hocus Pocus, Hocus Pocus Deluxe, French Roulette, or American Roulette. How do slot machines differ in land-based casinos and online casinos? There are a few differences here that should be noted. The slots themselves are almost the same, except that you can access better graphics online, as many slots are refurbished. You can play from the comfort of your home. You don't have to travel to a casino to enjoy the slots. In a casino you cannot test slots for free, which is of course always possible online. Online slots often offer more pay lines than is the case in casinos. You can often deposit more in online casinos and play with higher stakes, so the chances of winning and the amount of possible profit are many greater.